Why is my laundry room always warmer than the rest of the house? It is usually warmer because the washer, dryer, hot water pipes, poor ventilation, and limited airflow add heat to a small room. A dryer is often the biggest source of extra heat, especially if its vent is clogged, crushed, leaking, or disconnected. Even a vented dryer releases some warmth while it operates, but a damaged vent can push hot, moist air into the laundry room instead of outdoors. A condenser or heat pump dryer can also make the room warmer because it recycles air inside the room rather than sending all heat outside. The washer adds heat when it uses warm or hot water, and nearby water pipes can slowly warm the walls and air. Small laundry rooms often have closed doors, weak return air pathways, and no supply vent, so cool air cannot enter easily. Moist air can make the room feel hotter because your sweat evaporates more slowly. A useful test is to run the dryer and check whether the outside vent flap opens strongly and whether the room becomes less warm when the door is slightly open. Clean the lint screen every time. Inspect the vent hose and arrange professional cleaning if airflow is weak or the room smells damp. One common mistake is assuming that a clean lint screen means the whole vent is clear, so inspect the entire path to the outdoors and never operate a dryer with a loose or damaged hose. Another mistake is leaving the laundry room door shut without an air gap or return vent, so improve airflow with a safe door gap or a properly installed transfer grill. Do not ignore dampness, mold, burning smells, or a dryer that takes unusually long because these can signal blocked ventilation or an electrical problem. Stop using the appliance and call a qualified technician. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobBit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.